Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the content you will animate so you avoid shifting layout later. Once done, select the object and open the animation pane to apply an entrance effect. This sets the initial motion and visual entry. Make sure to choose duration around 0, 5 to 1, 5 seconds for readable pacing, and decide start. Unclick if you want control or with previous to sync. This first step creates a predictable baseline to build on and prevents chaotic timing later. Once the entrance is in place, refine how the object moves and feels. Use effect options to change direction and easing. Smooth start or end makes motion look natural. Then adjust delay and timing in 0. 2-second increments to create rhythm. If you need complex movement, add motion paths and combine emphasis or exit effects. Group multiple shapes so they animate as one object. Make sure to preview frequently so you understand why each timing change improves clarity and viewer focus. Finish by previewing the whole slideshow and rehearsing your pacing so animations support your speaking points. Once satisfied, export to MP4 for sharing or use package presentation for CD to include linked media. Compress large files to reduce playback issues. Make sure to test on the target device and resolution to catch font or GPU differences. If animations stutter, reduce simultaneous animations or simplify motion paths. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes cross-device glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.